Hi, I'm Nishchal. This is Ankush. We're building Construct, the AI employee with their own computer. A few days ago, we were at this YC event where we met this founder who was running his own IoT fleet. He wanted to automate a bunch of workflows across his stack. So he taped together some off the shelf AI tools and ended up spending more time maintaining that automation setup rather than running his own business. He looked at us and said, I feel like I'm becoming an AI data company instead of running my actual business. Well, that line stuck with us because he's not alone. To automate one workflow today, you end up becoming an AI company. You tape together a bunch of AI tools, which may work like a Ferrari at first, but always end up in the shop for maintenance.
So, to fix this, we didn't just build another AI tool or chatbot for the stack, but instead we built the whole employee. Constant gives your AI an actual computer, a desktop, an inbox, a Slack handle. You hire them, you tell them what to do, and you ask them work. Let me show you a quick demo. Here's my construct, and I have tasked with analyzing my Amazon store, customer reviews, compare them with similar brands, and prepare comparison reports. I've also asked Construct to perform the same analysis every Monday and email me the reports so that I can stay updated. Moreover, I can even make it use any application like Sentry, Jira, Slack, and more by installing them through our App Store. One employee hired in a minute, working 24 hours a day.
Talking about our market, over 330 million businesses globally could be automating their tasks using AI, but only about 15 to 20% of these are actually AI integrated. What about the rest? Well, they are either stuck, haven't started, or are trapped in pilots that just never ship. Now, 251 million businesses that tried AI and got stuck could be a potential market. Here's why we think we'll win. First up, it just works. Your ops lead ships an automation on the same day. No engineer stitching tools together just to make things happen. Secondly, it's a teammate, not a tool. Construct acts like an autonomous employee with his own calendar. Once he schedules a task, he wakes up, automatically does it without you ever asking. Thirdly, every single thing that Construct does is visually auditable through its WebOS. It's almost as if a coworker is sitting right next to you.
Speaking about the pricing, currently we have four plans for our customers, including a free one for just trying it out. $59 a month for solopreneurs who might want to automate the boring clerical work. $299 a month for actual businesses to automate multiple workflows, and a custom enterprise plan for larger businesses that require higher volumes and dedicated setups. Although it might seem that we are competing with other players in the market like OpenClaw, Hermes, or Perplexity, here's what makes us different. We abstract away majority of the technical setup required. Instead of having to set up everything manually, one by one, we ship 200 plus working integrations right out of the box with the ability to add more with our App Store. We are quite excited with what we have built and what we will be shipping next.
Here's why we think we're the best team to build Construct. Because we've shipped before. Ankush built Better Idea, which gained 30,000 developers using it and was later acquired by Forward Research. I founded Rlink, a new cloud platform which was backed by the founders of Arweave. We are builders at core and have both taken products from 0 to 10. Well, if you want to try our product, you can scan this QR code and you can hire your first Construct employee in less than 60 seconds for free. Try it out, break it, tell us what you think. We'd love to talk to you.